How to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. The first step you want to do is determine the type of lock. Open your web browser and search for Snapchat account locked or visit the official Snapchat support page. Look for the section titled My account was temporarily locked. If your account was temporarily locked, it may be due to third-party software, incorrect password attempts, or other issues. Remove any third-party apps, ensure your password is correct, and wait 48 hours before trying to log in again. If the account is permanently locked, then it might be due to the violations of Snapchat's community guidelines. This could be due to sending spam, using unauthorized third party apps, or logging in from a previously banned device. To appeal a permanent lock, you want to contact Snapchat support. Go to Snapchat's customer support page and look for the appeal option under Why was my account locked? Submit an appeal. Simply follow the instructions provided on the page to appeal your account lock. Snapchat will review your case and, if appropriate, they may unlock your account. Now, if you suspect that your Snapchat account was hacked, you can take additional steps. For that, you want to head over to the Snapchat account compromised page. Then scroll down and click on Contact Support. Under I think my account was compromised, provide details such as your username, phone number, email address, and brief message explaining that your account was locked and you haven't violated any guidelines. Submit your message and wait for Snapchat support team to get back to you. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.